Oh, I hit my mirror. Is that cute? Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's Josiah. I'm here, there's Aaliyah right in front of us. We're going to a local lake. We want to ride for a couple hours. I just got off work. We want to ride for a couple hours before it gets dark, so... Hey, nice. She got her jacket on, her new jacket and visor. She looks dope. The jeans! Sheesh! She looks good. I'm excited. Didn't ride yesterday or the day before. I'm still a little sore. We're like 3 days out from my tournament, but I'm still pretty sore. Oh, baby's like in Whoville. This is my first ride with a clean chain. I'm gonna tell you honestly, I don't feel a difference, but mentally it's nice. What up? Yes, sir. If I knew how to wheelie, I would wheelie right now, 100%. Oh, there's another motorcycle up here. We can ride with the homie. Good little spot across the middle of my visor. Big bugs. Hey, look at this! Woo! It's so pretty. I've been trying to think about like what RPM to have my bike in, because it's a super sport. I needed a higher RPM. So I want to figure out like what's the best range for my bike. Is it wet? park's closed. I'm gonna try to stay on the road and do this UE, but I don't know if I can. Oh, yes sir. It's about the ride anyway, it's not about the destination. You know you're deep into my playlist, like my Christian playlist, it's that they start speaking Spanish. Like, that's how you know you're deep. Thanks. I got a biker friend. I don't know if he's gonna pull up and say hi, but somebody on a bike. I know that much. Finished getting gas and got got some ice cream, sat down and ate for a little bit, cleaned off our visors. But yeah, YouTube, I broke this little thing, so I want to get a bigger one so it fits my phone more. Just this little plastic thing. So we'll see. They're only like $5, so it's no big deal, but it means my phone's in my pocket, so I gotta check my watch for the directions. Go slower for the turn, but I just want you to be careful. I don't know if you have to, but yeah, that's definitely a possible thumbnail. Bro, I got so many bugs already. Bro, I got a fat bug right in the middle. Just made a fat smear. I hit my mirror. Is that cute? That guy's bike was crazy. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, hit that like button. If you want to see more of this channel, hit the subscribe button and that bell. And if you want to let me know something, tell me in the comments. I'm gonna see you guys next time. Peace. That wasn't me, that was her doing it, guys. Don't get it twisted.